loads of references.
Yeah.
Right. So graph 1 contains 1 mole per decimeter per cube. Alright?
Yeah.
Now, it's the same concentration but a smaller volume. So, first of all, because it's the same concentration, is it going to affect the rate?
Well, no.
No, good. So it's going to go up as steeply as graph 1. But what is the volume? The fact that it's not much of a volume going to affect?
So is it 3?
Yes, because it's going to affect the total amount of gas, but not how far.
What kind? Do you know, because it says 2 mole instead of...
Right, so that's more concentrated, so it's going to go faster. Alright.
And the other one just like 2, so...
Well, it is, but notice half the volume but twice the concentration, so it's the same number of parts.
Oh, so it's just 1?
So that's why it ends up at the same height.
Is it just 1 then? Is that the D? Just 1? What?
So you've got to say which graph you're going to choose, haven't you?
Yeah, is it 1?
Well, no, one's the graph you compare it with.
Well, it could be the same.
Oh, I see what you mean. No, it isn't.
Oh, so what
No,
is it?
because there is a difference. It's more concentrated. It's more concentrated. So it's going.
Oh, 4. 4.
Is 4 going quicker than 1?
No, 2. No. I said that before, you said no.
No, I didn't say no. You decided you're going to change your answer.
Right. So what's the difference from 3? So you only have to buy it once. Is that right? Is that enough for number 3 that they only have to buy it once?
Well, it needs a little bit.
They only have to buy it once, so they save money. Well, no. So over time they will get back.
Right, yes,
what they
you
spend.
need to make that point.
Okay.
That they will only make a profit after a long time. Right, okay, we've now come to the moment. Time to do a bit of marking again. Alina, a catalyst. Now, please be polite and listen.
A catalyst is a chemical substance which increases the rate of a reaction without being used as a change.
Yes, good. 2 marks for that. The first one for saying what Alina said first, it speeds up a reaction. We will do an experiment, by the way, next week, where we'll look at different catalysts and how they affect the same reaction. Okay, so you'll get a feel for that. Now, the second part, just be very careful how you word this. It is not used up or it's not consumed in the reaction is a good way of saying that. I think you said it's not used up, didn't you? That's fine. The thing to be careful not to say is don't say it's not involved in the reaction, because clearly it must be involved in the reaction or otherwise it would have no effect. But the point is you can get it back at the end in the same quantity as you put it in. It's like magic, it's like fairy dust. You sprinkle it in your chemical reaction goes mad, you get it twice as fast or even 4 times as fast. And even better than that, you can collect the stuff at the end and use it again. Did I tell you about the time I nearly got arrested for industrial?
No. Oh, come on.
Right.
You actually go to jail?
No.
Are you a criminal?
No.
Do you have a criminal record?
I will have in a minute because I'll murder you. Now, sure. Now. Alright. What happens? And this shows how important catalysts are. It was an open day at the chemical works just north of Wolverhampton. It's a big chemical firm for ashes on the Wolverhampton to Stafford Road. And occasionally they have an open day. And if you get a chance to go around, it's very interesting seeing how it all works. And anyway, I got an invitation to go, and you could be shown around. They were quite happy to discuss the reactions that they were doing, And I rather innocently, because I wasn't thinking about what I was saying, asked, oh, and what catalyst do you use for this reaction? And of course, at that point, the security guard started getting a bit iffy. And I was told quite bluntly, well, you don't expect us to tell you that, do you? All right, and the reason is that is what their commercial secrets are, because the catalysts they use are the things that enable them to make the product faster than their competitors. All right, so that's what gives them their commercial advantage. So I'll tell you everything else you might be interested in about the reaction, but what catalyst they use, they'll keep as an industrial secret. All right, okay, well done, Alina, that was a good answer. Now, 3. This is sort of an A standard type thinking question that you may get asked on the papers. Hannah, it's your turn to answer the question. What did you make of number 3?
I said that the only application is once and continue, and that's the way.
Well done. It depends, question 3, on the fact that you can reuse the catalyst. Depends on the fact that you can reuse the catalyst over and over again. All right, and notice that you don't